In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase or reduce the number of animations that are appearing on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings, best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to scroll down and select accessibility. And then on the right side, select display and magnification. And then going down where it says reduce animations, limit movement on the screen, you can toggle that on if you want to reduce animations, or conversely click inside that oval to turn that off so there'll be more animations. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.